Isa ka pa rin ba sa mga nalilito kung paano gamitin o ano ang ibig sabihin ng it's na ito at ang it's na ito o ang there na ito at ang there na ito? Kung isa ka pa sa kanila, panoorin mo ito hanggang dulo. Hi there, soulmate. This is Joel P, Teacher J at your service. In this vlog, pag-usapan niya natin kung paano gamitin ang it's na ito at ang it's na ito at ang there na ito at ang there na ito. Okay, kung ating mapapansin, ang dalawang salitang ito ay may tinatawag na apostrophe. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang dalawang ito ay contractions. So what is a contraction? Contraction is a short form of word or word group produced by leaving out a letter or letters. Meaning there's a certain usage for these words. Let's take first the first two words, ang it's at its. Okay? So obviously, ang it's na isa merong lang apostrophe. Ibig sabihin that is a contraction of it and is. Examples. Okay? May binigay sa akin na hindi naman sa akin. Okay, so I would say it's not mine. It is not mine. Okay, next, pinaratangan. Okay, yung kaibigan ko na wala namang kasalanan. So I would say it's not his fault. It is not his fault. Or birthday mo ngayon. Okay, so I would say, oh, it's your birthday. Okay, it is your birthday. Ayan, so dito naman tayo sa word na it's. Okay, so let's say for instance, dyan sa tulay. Kasi yung tulay namin dyan, ginagawa siya. Nilalagyan ng mga concrete parang foundation or yung tinatawag na riprap para hindi siya lumuwang ng lubuwang kapag inulan. Okay, so I would say one of its objectives is okay, or niregaluhan ako ng book. Okay, so sasabihin sa akin ng nabigay, oh, you read this book, its content is helpful to you. Okay, sa vaccination naman, when you say vaccination is important, its aim is for the safety of everyone. Okay, so ganon, gamitin ang word na its. It is a substitution for your subject. Okay? Ayun, so sa Tagalog, kapag sinabi mong it's, it is, ito ay. Okay? Samantala kapag sinabi mong it's, nito. Okay? Its aim is for the safety of everyone. Sa Tagalog, ang hangarin nito. Okay? So let's proceed to the word there and there. Okay, so the word there, it's a contraction also. They are. Okay, examples as simple as they're going to the beach. Okay, so they are going to the beach. Another, they're taking the examination. They are taking the examination. Okay, they're doing great. Okay, they are doing great. Now, doon naman tayo sa there. Okay, so they're T-H-E-I-R. Their project is amazing. Or their situation is so bad. Or their cat is so lovely. Their pet is dog. So if you notice, ginagamit natin ang there plus the noun per se. Okay, or yung subject mo. Their cat, their pet, their situation. Okay, so yun, kailangan yung there and then yung subject mo. So there, they are, diba? Ibig sabihin sa Tagalog, sila ay, sila. Okay, they are. Kapag sinabi mo lamang their pets, okay, ang alaga nila. Okay, so that is contraction. Another examples for contraction, we have couldn't, could not. Okay, so shouldn't, should not, mustn't, must not. Okay, can't, cannot. don't, do not, doesn't, does not. Okay? So, yun, yung mga contractions. Ayan, so wait. So, madali lang pag-aaralan ng mga yan, okay? It's, there. Do not be confused. Just always remember that a consistent practice makes everything almost perfect. Teacher J at your service. Bye!
It's my life.